Hello, my name is Mendy Mayer, and this is my first introduction or my first update to a 2D game engine I'm currently programming alone. This is the program at the moment. It has a designer, as you can see on the left, and a game area or a scene over here. Now, within the designer, I have set some properties which allow you to, or some tools which allow you to create items within this game area. You can set a background, add objects, and add a tile image. So let's begin by, I'll demonstrate the background creation tool. We can either select between plane or gradient. A gradient would go from top to bottom. Here's an example. First we'll start with plane. A plane background will allow us to pick between colors, for instance, and we draw. Then we get to pick a color, and the gradient fill will allow us to pick between, say, that and that, two separate colors. Remember, we can still use these if we wish, and we can draw between the two colors. It's a bit hard on my eyes, so I'll go to some that might stand out a bit more. Even a pink color. Now, onto our next tool. Here's our add image option. Now please ignore the solid check for now. This is going to enable collision detection later on in the engine, but for now we're allowed to upload files, objects, and drag them here. I'll give you an example. So let's go to, let's get a cloud in here, and let's give it a name. Notice here's our hierarchy where our items, our project items will be. So let's add an image. We will add, we'll call it cloud. Hit draw. Now we have cloud in our hierarchy. We have a cloud over here which we can drag around. It's a bit laggy, as you can see that white in the background. That's because of the VB.NET. It's not something I can change, but it gives us a jagged, dashed edges, which I thought would look nice. And we can move our object around. If we try to create another cloud with the same name, it says item name already exists, so we have to create one called cloud 2, and then we can drag and place it wherever we like. We can do the same with these trees. Please note the artwork here was not created by me, so please don't, I hold no copyright for them. So now I do have work to do with this next system, which I only spent a few minutes working on before I started recording. This is to create a tiles. Now the tiles is a platform that will run from the left to right, which I haven't worked out, nor I haven't decided on how I'm going to do this next part yet. But what my main idea is to work out a way to get the tile to find out where a location is. I don't know how I'm going to do that. I'm thinking maybe having a ruler option on the side so you can actually find what the point is. We'll work that out later. But for now, here's a demonstration. Here's the tile. We've picked my tile image, and I'm going to go 100 and let's go 450. Draw, and for now we can't get that right there because that covers it, but I'll be working on a lot of this later. Now we have our tile image running from left to right, and create multiple. We'll go 540, draw there. We can continue like this if we wish. That's a short demonstration of my 2D game engine progress. I hope you enjoyed it. Notice as well, if we'd like to set an object in front of the other, just click it, and also when I hover over the object, they do a small bounce to show you that it's being hovered over. So this one, the cloud, this cloud can go there, and if we select that, it'll go in front. Select the cloud, go there. Same with that, etc, etc, etc. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe, please like, please comment, and I will make sure to upload more videos and eventually a download link for the engine once I'm further into my development. I am very motivated for this, and the more feedback I get, the more people tell me what they think I should add. I'll definitely read all the comments. I'll see what I can do, and we can work together on this and hopefully create an amazing, simple, powerful 2D engine that's fun and easy to use. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.